In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the font style on a Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the settings of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, when you're in the settings, you're actually going to scroll down to the display option right there. Now, when you're within the display, this is what you're going to do. Okay? You go to the font size and style. Tap right there. Now, you got to see what they call the font style is set to default. So tap right there. Now the available options right now will actually be displayed right here. Samsung One, Gothic Bold, Roboto. The other option is the download fonts. Or if you really like what you're seeing from the options shown, you can actually select the font. Okay. Okay. I'm going to change that to probably Gothic Gold. As you can see, this is a preview. Okay, main text and will look like this. So the font style is changing to that. If I try to go backwards, you'll actually see the change in the font style. Okay, the other option is you actually go back. Now tap font style. If you don't like what you're seeing and you really want to select another font style, you tap on download fonts. Okay, now that make sure you are connected to the internet for you to have this more. Yes, make sure you connect to the internet, then tap on download fonts. Okay, now when you tap on download fonts, you'll actually be shown these new fonts for your Galaxy. Okay, you see that the code jar, the Samsung's Sans, you see the display on the left side like this. Okay, what you're gonna do to change the font, you download the font, you tap, you probably select the font, you tap on the download part right there, and it shows you downloading. This third one is what I'm actually getting. As you can see, as displayed on your screen, you see that now that is actually installing right now. So select it right there. Okay, then you'll see the apply option. Tap right there. Okay, so you can actually see right now the downloaded one, okay, that is actually being applied is the Rosemary one, as you can see right here. And you can see the font style has actually changed on the Samsung Galaxy A07. A sub channel will be amazing if you pick file in the video.